Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of FLAVOUR MSG Mondays. Today we're going to be trying Mama Shrimp Tom Yum Noodle Soup. Alright, Siddhesh, this is for you. I know you've been requesting for this noodle for so long. I finally got my hands on it. I haven't done many reviews on Thai-based instant noodles, so I'm really excited to give this a try. I love Tom Yum soup, so let's go ahead and see how it is. Alright, so this is the finished product. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Okay, this was addicting. I am so surprised that there is that much flavor in that tiny little pack. You get this wonderful lemongrass flavor. As soon as it hits your tongue, you got this really tart lime flavor. And then of course, you got that nice spicy, sour, salty. I just couldn't stop drinking the broth. It was that good. I actually like how small these are. With the size also comes with the price element. This is like hella cheap. I think this is like less than $1. It's a couple cents or whatever. The noodles, of course, I mean, with packs this small, they're pretty brittle. A lot of it was actually kind of broken when I got it, so I didn't like how fragile they were. They're really thin, they're more slippery. These noodles will tend to sog up really quickly too, so just bear that in mind. There wasn't a ton of shrimp flavor coming through. I would just say it was more overpowered by like the stronger flavors in this packet, like the lime, like the lemongrass, and the spice, but I still really enjoyed it. With that being said, I'd give this a 4 out of 5, and I'd probably buy this again because it is so economically cheap. I love this one. Thank you, Siddhesh, again for requesting for me to review this. Keep them coming. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the links down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just in the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!